Hello and welcome to my channel Parthavi's Kitchen, where cooking comes from heart.
Here's the recipe for quick and easy citrus salad. It serves 2 to 3 adults and is ready in just 10 minutes. This refreshing salad is super healthy and really delicious. It's my personal favorite. Take about 250 to 300 grams of assorted lettuce leaves. I'm using equal quantity of romaine, red and green leaf lettuce and some iceberg. Roughly tear them into bite-sized pieces. You can chop them, but I prefer to do it by hand for more rustic look. Wash them thoroughly and pat them dry to remove excess water and keep aside. Now take about 7 to 8 cherry tomatoes and cut them into two. Once done, add them into your salad bowl along with the greens. Now take about handful of red cabbage. Thinly slice lengthwise to get about 1/4 cup of juliennes. And add them into your bowl. Now for the crunch, take about 1/4 cup of walnuts or pecans. Give it a rough chop and add them into your bowl. For sweet and tangy flavor, take 2 tablespoons of dried cranberries. Roughly chop them. You can add them as it is as well. Once done, transfer them into your bowl. Now take about 2 slices of candied orange. Cut them into bite-sized pieces. You can use any other candied fruit such as pineapple, sweet lime or kiwi. For creamy texture, add 1/4 cup of crumbled ricotta or fresh malai paneer. For soft crunch, add ½ cup of croutons or 2 slices of toasted bread cut into bite-sized pieces. Next, take an orange and slice off the top and bottom as shown. You can use sweet lime, grapefruit or a combination of all three. Use a sharp knife to trim off the peel as shown. Make sure to take off the peel properly as it is bitter in taste. Once done, slice the orange. You can cut the orange as per your wish. Take off the seeds. And cut into bite-sized pieces. You can add it as it is as well. Once done, add them into your bowl. Give your salad a light mix before adding the dressing. We are going to use orange balsamic vinaigrette. Check out the recipe link in the description box below. Now pour about 1/3 cup of orange balsamic vinaigrette. You can save a little for plating later. Now give it a gentle toss. And voila, it's ready to serve. Keep the plating simple and rustic. Serve an individual portion in the plate. Now drizzle a little extra dressing on top. And serve immediately. I hope you liked watching this recipe and will surely give it a try. Trust me, the flavors are crowd pleaser. For more healthy recipes, please check the description box below. You can find loads of other recipes on my channel. But for now, enjoy the citrus salad.
Thanks for watching. For ingredients, tips and other details, see the description box below. And check out more recipes at Parthavi's Kitchen. Until then, happy cooking!